Starting it? Okay, show this here. Note the sponge, yeah, for humidification. Also the damp it, which has been continually in the guitar since I purchased it. Those items are not included, although I may throw in the sponge if you request. This is a Martin SWDGT, which stands for, what does it stand for? SW's Solid Wood Dreadnaught Gloss Top. And this particular instrument I purchased new here in Missoula at Outlaw Music. And I'm selling it because I found another guitar that sounds even better than this one, and it's amazingly good. So this one's nice too, though. Don't get me wrong. It served me well for the last 4 years or so. So anyway, SWDGT, it has zero cosmetic flaws. It's completely immaculate.
Last time you said it was taking it.
Anyway, Maya's taking the video. Thank you, Maya. So this guitar down here by the sound hole so they can hear. Stop. I'm trying to record this for the people so they can buy it. Stay down here, honey. Stay down here.
Hmm.